Good day, everyone. There is something one product I want to introduce here. I'm not doing any advert for any product, but I saw this product and it worked like, as they call it, miracle. It worked like miracle to me. You know, whenever we women cook, something will stain our cooker or whatever you call it, our cooker, and the back of our pot will be dirty. Sometimes you wash, the thing will not go out. Since I realized this product I'm talking about, oh my God, one touch, without stress, one touch, you just clean it out. I don't want to waste your time here. I just want to explain to you what I use to clean my cooker. Right, this is called, they call it the pink stuff. You wrote there, the miracle cleaning paste. This is in fact, indeed, is a miracle. I've been using it since I've been using it. Oh my God, no stress. So I'm not stressing myself anymore. Just so you will not use your pot, just romance it, and the thing will be. Let's go. Let me just show you guys. See how this look like. This is dirty. I like seeing the color. This round, I like seeing it. Look at it. But this one, I normally use this one to cook. But look at how it is. Right now, we are going to use this paste. See how the paste is. I've been using it. Now I rub it. Just rub it. Oh my God. You will see.